So in multiple regression, the model fit is often measured by R-square, which is also called the coefficient of multiple determination. But in logistic regression, the model fit is often measured by Cox-and-Snell R-square and Nagle-Kurt R-square. So the Cox-and-Snell R-square is constrained in such a way that it cannot equal 1, even if the model perfectly fits the data, but this limitation is overcome by the Nagle-Kurt R-square. The model fit is assessed by determining the proportion of correct prediction. So if the estimated probability is greater than 0.5, the predicted value of y is set to 1, but if the estimated probability is less than 0.5, the predicted value of y is set to 0. And we can find the Cox-and-Snell R-square and Nagle-Kurt R-square by using SPSS. So to better illustrate this part, I will use an example in the book to show you guys, to explain to you guys this theory. So here, the table here gives the data for 30 respondents. 15 are brand loyal, which is indicated by 1, and 15 are not loyal to the brand, which is indicated by 0. And they also measure attitude toward the brand, attitude toward the product category, and attitude toward shopping. And all these are measured on a scale from 1 to 7. So now I will show you how to analyze this data. So we click Analyze, Regression, Binary Logistic. So first, we will put the loyalty to the brand into the dependent box, and 3 attitude into this covariate box, and we click OK. So we get the result. Alright, so back to the slide. So we can find in this table the Cox-and-Snell R-square equals to 45%, and the Nagle-Kurt R-square is 60%. Now, significant testing. So in theory, we can test the significant testing by using Weld test, and the formula is given here. However, we do not have to calculate by ourselves. We can use SPSS to help us. So based on this table, we can find the results of the Weld test here. So to test, to see which parameter is significant and which is not, we will look at this column, the significant column. So for the brand, it is 0.8%, which is less than 5%, so we will reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, we can say that the attitude toward the brand is significant in explaining the brand loyalty, while the product and shopping does not explain the brand loyalty. Alright, interpretation and validity. The sign of AI, which is parameter, will determine whether the probability increases if the sign is positive or decreases if the sign is negative. So we will come back to the last slide. The parameter of brand is positive, so we can say that if the brand increases, the attitude toward the brand increases, the brand loyalty will also increase. And the product, the attitude toward product category and the attitude toward shopping does not influence the brand loyalty. So if the manager wants to improve the brand loyalty, they should focus only on the attitude toward brand, not product and shopping. And the hit ratio is the percentage of cases correctly classified. So in this table, we can see 80% of cases are correctly classified.